Welcome to Johnny's Tips and Tricks. Now my Keurig at work broke and I'm going to show you how we fixed it. Alright, this is my Keurig. It's working now, but not after waiting 2 days to get this descaler. I tried everything. Called the manufacturer. They told me I needed a new one. I figured I'd try the descaler. And it didn't work. So we started messing around with it. Opened it up a little bit. Nothing was working. And then finally, this is what I did. All right, so at the top here, I took a paper clip and I shoved it into the hole right there at the top. Put it in there and shoved it all the way in. Wiggled it around a little bit. Pulled it out and voila. Alright, so subscribe to the channel. This is Johnny's Tips and Tricks. And if this helps you out, hit the like button. That helps me out, and I hope this helps.